Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have an awesome recipe I'm ready to share with you guys. So hey, let's get cooking. Yesterday I smoked some bratwursts on my offset smoker for my cousin. They came out great. And I cooked a lot. I know I was going to give her some, and I also was going to keep some for me to have to make these meal prep lunches for next week. And here we are. These are the pictures, and these are the half pans I made for her. And then we're going to get into the next day. These are my bratwursts that are, of course, overnight. And this is the rice and Ronie, cheddar and broccoli cheese rice, some canned string beans, and of course the leftover bratwursts. Very simple. We're going to whip this up. We're going to cook the rice on the stove, following the directions on the box. We're going to season the string beans in a microwave safe dish, pop those in the microwave. Then I'm going to measure out my bratwursts and get those in serving sizes that I like for my lunch. So here we go. We're going to get it going. And here we go, guys. I pulled up my food scale and then I measured 6 ounces of sausage. We have 3 containers for lunches, and we have 3 containers of 6 ounces of sausage already measured, ready to go. We're preparing 2 boxes of the broccoli cheddar rice, so I use my medium-sized Dutch oven right on top of the stove. I'm putting in the double amount of margarine or butter. This is butter right here. We're going to get this going. Get the butter melted, put the rice in. We're going to try to get the rice toasted or slightly golden brown. Then we're going to add the seasoning, 5 cups of water, bring to a boil, cover, lower the heat, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the rice is flaky and tender. Now here we go. It's minutes later. The rice is nice and toasted. I'm going to add my water, my seasoning, bring it up to a boil, and then lower the heat and cover for 10 to 15 minutes until the rice is done. All righty, here we go. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. You'll be the first to see my barbecue, seafood, and family recipes. And if you're liking these meal preps, and I get that in the comments, I will keep making meal prep videos. Thank you. Just like that, the rice is going to simmer. We're going to get started on the green beans. 2 cans of green beans, drained all the water off. And we have a mixture of a little bit of seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. And then I'm also going to add some minced onion for some more garlic flavor. I just love that garlic flavor with these green beans. Do a gentle toss in the microwave for 3 minutes. Then when they come out, we're going to do another gentle toss, stir them real gently, and that's it. The green beans are done. In the microwave, the green beans go. And this is my just simple, everyone has one of these, a cup, measuring cup. And I use these just to measure everything to make sure it's uniform. I'm shooting for 1 cup of green beans, 1 cup of rice. And these are my 3 Pyrex dishes. They're a little bit bigger than normal. Some people don't like food touching, which really don't bother me. But I just bought the big ones. I'd rather have them too big than too small. And I'm just holding them up, putting my hands in there to show you the size comparison. One guy at work he compared them to baking dishes. They're a little bit on the bigger side, but they hold a lot of food. If you're, a busy guy, a busy young lady, physical job, you can get a real good meal in them. And here we are, the green beans out of the microwave. And all I'm doing is just stirring these up real gently. The seasoning is all through there. The garlic, the flavors is awesome. And everyone just keep in mind the spice blend for the green beans will be in the full description below. And here we are. It's been about 15 minutes and the rice is done. I'm going to give this a good stir, fluff it up, scrape everything from the bottom, make sure nothing's burned or sticking. And this is going to be awesome. Going to be a great lunch for the next 3 days. Everyone in the comments below, give me your favorite go-to meal prep ideas. What protein, vegetable, starch. Let me know what you guys do for you and your family, and you might see your recipe and meals on the channel. I need ideas. Thanks. Just like that, we have 3 lunches for the next 3 days that I'm looking forward to. Just real food. I don't have to worry about the fast food and the sweets and picking up the bad stuff. I know, hey, I got a good meal that's going to get me through the day, and I know what's in it. Hey family, if you enjoyed this video, this is my first ever meal prep video on the channel. Let me know in the comments below if you want more meal prep videos. Thank you guys for all your support. I really enjoyed everything in this journey. I could not do it without you. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7. Thank you.